So this video is a practical one at that matter on how to resolve queries on NGO name registration, how to go back to your form that you are filling for NGO, for group of companies. So I posted an update on WhatsApp asking if I should mind my business or not. So they said I shouldn't mind my business, that I should upload the video, and here you have the video. Let me be reminding you, this video is a lifesaver. Like, it's going to save you a lot. So this video is a practical one at that matter on how to resolve queries on NGO name registration, how to go back to your form that you are filling for NGO, for group of companies, for limited liability, limited GTE, for group holdings, like any form, any name reservation that you are submitting that has to do with reservation code. You can actually go back and edit the name if you made a mistake. No more like packing of names and all of that in this not submitted option. Okay, so you can actually do that, but this is basically going to save those that you have the query of justify this name, qualify this name, like you submitted a name on CAC and they're telling you to add association, to add initiative, to add blah blah blah. So without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to be part of the family, and let's get into it. So first, you have to navigate through your pre-incorporation dashboard. So before we move into the main focus of the day, I'll be going back to a random name reservation that I was attempting, and I'll be using that for this tutorial. Okay, I'll be doing like two. So I'll be using this Vaco and also this Sangot Edo. So now I'm going to click on continue, and you see that I don't have any option of going back or forward, but here's the thing, just keep going forward. Click on this save and continue, and then you're gonna see that stuff. So let me just let you to observe. Well, like, did you see anything? No, you did not see. So that is why you have this video here to show you. So look up right here. You're going to be seeing new name reservation application. So you're going to click on that. If it's your mobile phone, you just tap on it. If it's your system, you use your mouse pointer to point on it, and it's going to take you back to the name reservation. Over this update, so you're going to be like, if you have a query of maybe adding initiative or removing something. So I know that of recent, CAC do not allow a word like using Nigeria. Like, they are just, in case they just query you, they ask you to remove anything or to add anything, just go here and remove it. That's just the thing. And once you are done with doing that, you click on your apply reservation code. But there is something else that I don't understand yet, which I don't want to try, because I don't want my money to waste. So since I've not made payments for this, I can just go ahead to click on apply for reservation code, and then click on save and continue until I get to the end. But for any reservation that you have paid and you were queried, please watch this video to the end so that you don't pay another more, so that you don't jump from frying pan to fire. So for the next one, let's go to the group of companies, because I told you that this process you can use it for any application, any name reservation that has to do reservation code. Okay, so we have let's go to this Vaco. So I'm going to click on it. So you see that there is no way to edit this name. So I'm going to just go ahead to fill this stuff right here. So I'll just be random about it. I'll just feed anything. Then for the email, let's use my email. Amaglo Limited gmail.com. Then for the states, let me just use okay, let me be fast with this. So now All right, now, so after filling the entity details, you click on save and continue. So I believe that right now you know where to click to change the name. Like if you made a mistake, I believe you know where to click. So what you just have to do is just to click on this name reservation process, because if you click on back, it's going to take you back to this place, and then if you click on back again, it's going to take you out. So what you need to do is to click forward, and then you are going to be seeing that name reservation application. Okay, so let's do that one more time so that you're going to be very familiar with the whole process. So I'm going to click on save and continue, and we have it right here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you back to your reservation form, like the place where you're going to fill your name. So like I said, if you have not made any payments, you just want to correct the name, you click on apply for reservation code, and then you click on save and continue down to the end. But please, if you are on a query, because I have not tried it though, but I don't want to take chances, so for now, maybe if you have the money, you bring it, let me do the practical for you. But for now, I don't want that kind of practical, because I'm trying to avoid paying another 5,000 naira. So you don't expect me. So for now, okay, let's do it this way. Let everybody contribute 1,000 naira. So let's do the practical, so I will know that hey, you understand. So this is it. Sorry, this is my project. Let me go back to this place. So we are going to do something now. So for persons that are not using the laptop, you might be needing 2 mobile phones. But I will advise you to use your Chrome browser and duplicate. Because me, I will tell you, my phone sometimes misbehaves. You open a tab, and then once you leave it for like 5 minutes, though it happens on laptop, yes, it does happen. But using 2 different phones is more better. Maybe if you have your siblings, or just you should have 2 phones, or just try your best. Be fast about it. Don't leave the tabs open so long on your phone. So for those using their laptop, what you want to do is to right click on your what is this called, your touchpad. Right click, and then you click on duplicate. Okay, so this application is going to open up on 2 pages for you. So this is the thing, we want to work on this first page, and then on this second page we are going to be clicking on mark as resolved. So I'm going to go back to dashboard, and I'm going to click on pending, because we have a pending name there. Okay, and then the client has already chosen what he or she wants. So we also have, you can see there's a query. This is not mine, but let me just use this for example. It said Cassava Traders Foundation, replace foundation with association or other alternate words. So they're asking this person now to remove this foundation and use association. So let's go back to what belongs to us. So this is it right here. They're asking that we qualify the name with words like association, foundation, or initiative. So let's do this. So on the first tab that I opened, I'm going to go into that pending query, and I'm going to navigate through. Like that's where I'm going to be changing the stuff. Okay, I'll be changing the stuff. So normally, like it's already explained, I do not want to, because me, I don't want to take chances. So I've already explained for you, but let me explain again. So if you click on this unresolved, what you are going to be seeing is this page. Like this is what you are going to be seeing. Okay, so what you want to do now, you click on save and continue, and okay, so you see the option there is right here. So where you want to add that association or initiative or foundation, this is where you're going to be clicking. And so let me just go back to see what my client what he chose. Let me see. Okay, hold on, I'm with you. Okay, so okay, yeah, so we are going for association. So I'm going to be clicking on this new name reservation application. Remember that we have our second tab duplicated here. So I'm going to be clicking on this, and then I'm going to be adding what association on all names. Now we have added the word association. Okay, so I'm going to click on apply for reservation. If you click on this, normally even without the query, it doesn't go. It's going to tell you to do what? Apply, but it's not my own you use for the Riaza. Please use your own. So I'm going to click on this apply for reservation so that the name is going to reflect here. So once the name has reflected here, Vanguard for persons with international association, blah blah blah. So one is reflected here. You either don't click on save and continue to the end. Okay, you can just click forward just to view to check your information if they are all correct, but I believe they should be correct. Even if they are not correct, before you submit after 28 days of waiting for newspaper publication, you still have to preview, check your pages, and if there are any mistakes, you correct it before the name is approved. So what I want to do now, I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Okay, I'll go back to my dashboard, click on this. Okay, so you see now this is no longer here, it's already out. The name is out, it's no longer here, so it has moved to what? Not submitted. So now that I open this dashboard, I'm going to click on mark as resolved. So it's already resolved. So imagine we didn't open this on a second tab. Can you imagine what would have happened if we didn't open this on the second tab? Our 5,000 naira is gone. Can you see? Our money is gone, everything is gone. But there's something I'm thinking, but I don't want to try it. Since we made payment for it, if it moved back to not submitted, if we click on check status, because we have made payment for it, if we click on check status, there's a possibility that it might move. But that is not going to be my own practical. It should be your own practical. So let me show you that it already moved. So we have it right here. But if we go back to this first page, we are not going to be seeing it here. Okay, it might be back, but if you go back, like if you reverse this video, is it reversed? If you play back the video, you're going to see that this actually disappeared. It disappeared. It wasn't here. So that's why I say you have to open this app. That you have to log in. If you're using a mobile phone, you have to log in on 2 phones, because you don't want to take chances. You have to log in on 2 phones. But like I said, if this moves to not submitted, there's a probability that if you click on check status, do you understand me? If you click on check status, it should move back. But I don't want to try that. You understand me? I don't want to try that. So let's say you made payment for it. It's supposed to be here that you have made payments for this, but more like I would have tried it, but just hold on, pause for a bit. Okay, so like my instincts were right. If your reservation goes back to not submitted, you can actually click the status and get it back on pending reservation. So I reached out to one of my portal users, and so that's just the whole thing, and that was how I was able to help him out to resolve this query. So I opened it on 2 tabs, like I duplicated the space. So if you look very well, I have the name reservation on 1 tab and the other on 1 tab, so that I won't take chances, because I know that if you have made payment for a name reservation, you understand, it should the payment should be there. Because one certain time like that, I tried something like that, but I just want to take chances. Okay, so I edited the name, and after I edited, this is a voiceover, so you see that I'm not correct. Like, I just wanted to do it immediately and just fix it in this video. So I just wanted to see that everything is like, just call me Badusne. Just say Badusne. Because oh my god, I'm so happy that I tried it and it worked, because I knew that I know that it's going to work, but I didn't just want to put you at risk. Like, I didn't want you to try it by yourself, because I was not relaxed. So I had to look for what to do to make up this video immediately, like to publish it, so that I will not start waiting again to no. It's better you know it now and you know it forever. Okay, so after editing the name I went back to not submitted. I know that it's already out of the reserved, is it pending reserve? I went back to not submitted, and then I clicked on it. So after clicking on it, you can see that it just says submitted successfully, sharp. So I didn't even bother to even click on the second tab. If you look at the second tab, it's still there. Like I didn't click on the mark as resolved. It's still there. Okay, so it's still there. So I think this video is complete as a whole. You don't need to wait for any other updates. So it's complete. So what do I get in the comment section? Is it thank you or I love you? I love you more. So enjoy the video. Please pay attention. But you don't have to be at any risk. You are not at any risk any longer, because even if it disappears from the pending reservation, it's there waiting for you at the not submitted. Your payment is still valid. But to be on the safer side, also open this on a duplicated tab, so that if it doesn't work there, it's going to work here. So you are free, you are safe, and wire. Oh, CAC agent, please now. I already know how this is going to end. I believe that I'll be able to pass the information, like pass the knowledge out. And please, if this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you have any questions at all, please drop the question and I'll be in the comment section to respond. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Mala go dey this, the record.